Hello, today we are doing Lazy Man's Cooking. And the dog is barking. That is Lulu, consumer of... Yes, that is a consumer of chicken bones. This is Ruby. I'm Joe. And today on Lazy Man's Cooking, because I am a lazy man and I want to eat good food without putting a lot of work into it, we're doing chicken wings. Chicken wings today. So we're going to go over the steps.
Not milk today.
Okay, not milk today. First thing, you go up to your stove. Hopefully you have one that doesn't have zip ties holding it together, but we are going to preheat the oven to 400 degrees. So we will let that do its thing.
Daddy, I'm done.
Meanwhile, we will get ready our big bag of chicken wings.
I'm done.
Okay, next we are getting out a pan. There we go. Pan. That's a good pan. Let's get some aluminum foil. Some people put these on a rack, but I prefer using the pan because I don't have a rack. And I'm also cheap. If you are lazy and broke, this is how you do it. Alrighty, there's our pan. Covered in aluminum foil. That just makes it easier to clean up afterward. And here is our 4-pound bag of chicken wings. This is like 10 bucks. We're going to put these on the pan. Let's dig out some wings. There we go. Just put them all over the aluminum foil. A big bag of wings. And there we go. Okay, next step. We are going to open up this oven at 400 degrees and cook this chicken. I'm going to put it on in there. Chicken in the oven. And set our timer. Let's see, 45 minutes. 400 degrees, 45 minutes. And that's how you cook us some chicken.
Good,
yes.
Daddy. I buy this.
Alright, while we're waiting for the chicken to cook, I found something really cool at the store. This is worth checking out. Look at this. Unicorn Magic Pudding. It says it tastes like joy and rainbow sparkles, and it's made with fairy dust and princess kisses. So I have got to try some unicorn pudding. What do unicorns taste like? Is this like what unicorns poop out? Is they poop out this stuff, and then I guess it's like unicorn poop. Let's get one of these. Oh. It's stuck. It's stuck. There we go. Let's see. What does unicorn pudding taste like? Oh, smells like cotton candy flavor, kind of. Let's get a spoon of some sort here. Tastes kind of like the cotton candy flavor. Unicorn tastes pretty good. Hey Ruby, you want to try some unicorn pudding?
No, I'm writing something important.
You sure?
Hey, I'm writing something important.
Okay. Hello, we are done with the wings. They are done cooking. Time to take wings out of the oven. We need one of these things, like a pot holder oven mitt thing. Whoop. Oh, ooh, foggy. Just fogged everything up. Ah, too much chicken steam. Okay, I think we can see again. Oh, chicken wings. Chicken wings. Yes, sir. Ooh, 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 ooh. That's some healthy food right there. Yes. Alrighty. So now we're going to take our chicken wings, and we got all the wings, and put them in this big old Tupperware. There we go.
And Apple West.
Oh yeah?
With cold ice.
Alright, let's take all the wings,
Plus,
put them all in the Tupperware. Oh, is that so, baby?
Yes, I'm a grown-up.
You gonna help me with the chicken wings? You want to eat some chicken?
No, I'm Everest.
You're Everest.
Yep, I'm a grown-up Everest.
So you don't want to eat some chicken?
No, because I'm still Everest, and I'm already a grown-up Everest.
You're already grown up.
Yes,
How'd you get grown up so fast?
but because I'm Everest, because my daddy Everest gave me a hug.
Really? Is that how that works? Is that how you grew up?
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Alrighty, baby. There we go. Put all of those right there in the,
Are you filming?
yes, we got all of the chicken wings in there. So then, get you the hot sauce. Now, the way I figured, this is a full-fledged meal here. You got your chicken as your meat. This is made from peppers, and they are vegetables. So, that counts as a vegetable. And then your blue cheese is cheese. Now, I figure, you know, you get a beer of your choice, and that's your carbohydrates, and that's a full-fledged meal right there. That's healthy. You could count that as health food. Get it all in there? Let's shake it up real good. Real good. And
You can come to my house a little bit.
okay, and here we go. There's the chicken wings.
You can come to my house a little bit. I mean a little bit.
And then you get some, wait, you get some blue cheese
A little bit.
in a bowl, and that's all you need. That's lazy man's cooking. It doesn't get any easier. There we go. Doesn't get any easier than that. And that is my dinner.
To my house a little